this week's tutorial, I will show you how to create access pin on WhatsApp. It's very simple and easy tutorials. Let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're new to this channel and you find this guide useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials about WhatsApp tricks. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to quickly create access pin for our WhatsApp and increase the layer of security access to our WhatsApp. The first thing you want to do is to make sure we click on WhatsApp to open up the app. Then the next thing we want to do here is to make sure we click on these three dots at the top. Then we have to look for settings. Then we go to account. Then we make sure we click on two-step verification. Then we click on turn on. Then right here we need to enter the 6-digit PIN that we can easily remember each time we want to log into the WhatsApp account. So I'm going to enter the 6-digit PIN. Then you have to confirm. Then click on save. So you can add email in case you forgot your PIN. So for you to add an email, just click on add email. Then enter your email address. Then click on next. Then a code will be sent to the mail. So let me head over to the mail account. So here's the code. I'll copy the code. Then I'll head over back to WhatsApp. I'll make sure I paste the code and click on verify. Verification complete. It's as simple as that. So this is how to set access PIN to your WhatsApp account. And if you want to change the PIN, simply click on change PIN. If you want to turn it off, simply click on here to turn off the PIN. So each time you want to access your WhatsApp account, they will definitely ask you to enter the verification PIN. So this is how to create access PIN to your WhatsApp account, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about WhatsApp tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.